250. It's high permanent workers, casual workers are part of it. So I think the way forward is industrialization. He said they are producing now 80% of the banana that we consume in this country. So you see 250 people can produce enough bananas. 80%. You see, there is only industrialization that can do. You see, they say about 75% of farmers in this country. Yes. But we still cannot feed ourselves. 250 people can feed us with bananas. Yes. Huh? That is industrial, that is knowledge. And so we are really very impressed with what we have seen. And we will encourage our Gambian also to start exploring. It is not about buying and selling. This is commercial farming. This is business, real business. As I interviewed him, he said their pipes, they use it for 15 years. When you lay your pipes for 15 years, now you are just pumping. That means you'll be making now profits. And forced investment is where it is difficult. But when you invest for the first time, you continue. So we are very happy that industrialization is now happening in the Gambia. See on this side, it says smart farming. That's what I was talking about. But by then my opposition told me I'm mad. But I think now, the owner of President Barrow was serious with what he was saying. It's the future. It's future. So we thank Mr. Kingi, we thank his team for creating jobs in this country and growing the economy. And also, this is food security, definitely. So we are very, very, very happy. And I'm pleased to come and visit. So we will continue to encourage you and government will continue to support you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Ala baraka akola diamo de tanda jande